Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Mark, Killer Grub with Mark, and today, something I've been waiting on, waiting patiently, impatiently, who knows, probably impatiently, but I got it. Today, it arrived. This is probably one of the most beautiful cutting boards I've ever seen. And I have cutting boards. I've got cutting boards all over the place. I've got nice cutting boards. I have a friend that makes cutting boards right there. That cutting board this cutting board right here. Made by, my best friend. Broken Clover Designs. Check them out on Instagram. Broken Clover Designs. Anyway, so, there's this amazing human up in Alaska. His name is Kris Devo. Makes some of the most amazing, beautiful cutting boards I've ever seen. And I've actually made cutting boards myself. They're not that easy to make. They're easy to make, but they're not that easy to make. And years and years and years and years and years later, have them stay together. But this guy knows what he's doing, okay? So, this is an unboxing video, so let's check this out. Right over here, okay? Here it is, all right? So let's get this thing open, all right? This is the unboxing. And now we've got plastic wrap. And oh my God. We've got some, now it looks like we have some decals and stickers. Devos. That's the place. That is the guy. Right there. Okay? Amazing. Wait till you see this thing. It's got information and all that. Nice care. How to care for it. It helps having a nice sharp knife. Okay. Woo. Now we have some paper. They went above and beyond. It's like Christmas. Christmas in April. Wow. Wowie wow wow. Would you look at that? I don't know. I don't know how you could possibly get more beautiful than that. That is just amazing. It's everything I thought it would be. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at that cutting board. Look at the beautiful. This is all natural wood too. This is not stained. This wood is not stained. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, that is perfect, beautiful. There it is, Devo's Woodcraft. It is just amazing. Look at that. The finish and the quality is top notch. Thank you, Kris. You are the man. That is beautiful. I will definitely take excellent care of this cutting board. There's no doubt. This thing is right there. Top. That is the top right there. Look at that. It's perfectly flat. There is, I mean, it is perfect. I don't know. Don't think it could be more perfect than that. Thank you, Kris. You're the man. I just can't even believe how beautiful this board is. Look at that. Wow. And then he includes two. Well, he sent me two. I don't know. But he includes his own board care, food grade mineral oil and beeswax. He gives you this so you can take care of it. Devo's, he makes this. I mean, this This isn't store-bought. This is, I will buy another one. There's no doubt in my mind, I will buy another one of these boards. Again, thank you, Kris. I appreciate it. I can't wait to buy another one. I will, guaranteed. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll put a link to his website in the description of this video. Check it out. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. Thank you so much, and everybody have a blessed day. Thank you. Goodbye.